Have you messed up your taskbar in Kali Linux and you don't know how to go back or to reset it? Let's see how to do it in this video. I had this problem for a couple of days and I didn't know how to solve it. I searched even online and wasn't clear how to do it, but I figured it out. So first, this is the taskbar of Kali Linux. We have the start menu and some icons to use and some information. I zoomed a little bit. That's why my icons looks bigger. So now let me click using the right mouse button on the task bar, and we have the panels and rename, move, and we have the properties. And the properties is related to the selected element. And in this case, it's just, I think this element is active. But what we want is the panel preferences, because in Kali Linux these are called panels, and as you see it's highlighted now with a red border. You see we can resize the row, we can add more numbers. For example, let me make it bigger, or we can make it smaller. 45 looks good. We can adjust the length, as you see. We can add more rows to it. I don't like it. One row is more than enough. And we can lock it to avoid moving it by mistake. And it's horizontal. We can change it to vertical. We can change it to disk bar, which is also vertical, but I like the horizontal one because I'm a Windows user. Now let's get into the main point. I messed up the setting of my panels taskbar and I want to reset it. So we go to backup and restore. Then we have here a lot of options. I'm gonna save the current setting. So it's save. And you see it's in the list now. We can go to this option and then we can click on apply configuration. And it's gonna ask us if we want to confirm, and then apply is gonna change the setting. You see now it moved to the top. And now I'm gonna go back to my backup and I'm gonna click on apply configuration. Now it's back to the place that I want it to be. So I saw some solutions in the internet and they all wrote something in the terminal. I didn't find it useful. I think this is an easy way to restore the old configuration using these options here. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.